My name is T.BALA SNEHITHA. My registration number is YOK19CS1222, and today my topic is about design implementation and verification of magnitude comparisons, and this is known this is known this is known as 4-bit magnified comparator, and these three are known as comparison outputs, where these two are known as binary inputs A, and these two as binary inputs B. When A1, AO, B1 and B2 will 0, then the light will be glowing at A equal to B, whereas when it will be 0, 1, 0, 0, the bulb will go at A and A to B. When it will be A1, 110, the bulb will be glowing at A. By this, I completed my program successfully.